Hello internet friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra and Lil Man.
Hi.
And it is quite a chilly day today here in Yorkshire. Last night it snowed just a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it with the window. Maybe you can't, it's just like a light dusting. But it looks very wintry out there, which I'm not a big fan of snow, but it is January 4th, so it's about time. If it's going to snow, it should have snowed by now. Anyways, Lil Man and I are just hanging out today. He's suddenly being camera shy. What do you think of the snow?
It's cold.
Is it cold? Yeah, it is kind of cold. I don't really like it. Do you like it?
No.
No? But you were playing in it last time.
Hot chocolate and snowflake is making fire.
Oh yeah, we are. You want to make hot chocolate?
Yeah. It's snowflakes.
That could be arranged at some point.
It's making fire.
We're gonna make a fire. Oh my goodness. Hi again. Okay, so we're in the kitchen right now. As you guys can see, I'm getting ready to make us a little bit of lunch. I did film our breakfast this morning, but I was not awake at all, so I'm gonna add some footage of our breakfast. But basically what we had this morning is Little Man had his favorite. He loves homemade soy yogurt with either frozen raspberries, frozen strawberries, or blueberries, with about 13 grams of hemp seeds and a little bit of maple syrup to sweeten the yogurt. Anyways, it is about midday, as I've already said, and I'm about to make some lunch. Hey, Little Man,
What?
do you know what you would like for lunch?
Sandwich.
What kind of a sandwich?
Hummus.
Hummus sandwich? Okay, well, I don't know what I'm going to do with this kid. Every single video I feel like I make for what we eat. It's fruit? Okay, cool. All right, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this kid. I feel like every day we eat different kinds of lunches. I feel like every single time it's a filming day, he asks for a hummus sandwich. So I made some fresh baguettes yesterday, so I think I'm gonna use those to make sandwiches today for lunch. And then I don't know what we're gonna have with them, but I'll show you guys what it is. And then I think we might go for a walk in the park to enjoy the snow before it all melts. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so we just finished lunch, and for some reason I'm still feeling like I want something else. I don't know, like I want some dessert or something, but I don't want to have anything that's too unhealthy. So I don't know if you guys saw on my Instagram earlier this week, or maybe it will be last week by the time this video goes up. Anyway, on my Instagram for Veganuary, I shared a recipe for my vegan chocolate chip cookie hummus, and so I'm gonna eat just a little bit of this with some pretzels, and then Little Man and I are gonna go to the park. Hi. What do you see?
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes, lots of snowflakes.
I want to play.
Go play, go ahead. ASMR moment. Hey, Little Man, what you got there? What are you gonna do with that?
Make a snowflake fall.
Oh, good job. Oh! Oh gosh, right in the belly. Hey guys, back in the same place again, although we just got back from the park because it's Yorkshire. It's already black outside, and it is what, barely 4:30, and it's about time to start thinking about making dinner. I haven't decided what I'm gonna make. I think I kind of want to have something cozy because it's just so cold outside, so I'm thinking some kind of a pasta. Oh, you know what I have actually? I have this. So if I have all the other ingredients I need, I think I do. What this means, I'm gonna have to make some butternut Alfredo, aka basically what I call my vegan mac and cheese. I think it tastes like mac and cheese, but it's been a while. But yeah, I'm gonna make some butternut mac and cheese for dinner tonight. and it's going to be delicious. Alright, so dinner is all ready now, and I'm sitting here in my apron, which I'm not actually sure why, but whatever, and you guys can see my nice messy living room. Anyways, dinner is all done. Mine's kind of cold now because I took some pictures for Instagram, but at our house this is pretty much like our vegan mac and cheese. It's made, as you guys saw, butternut squash, so basically it's a vegetable sauce with soy milk, and then I added some broccoli for a little extra vitamins, and then some peas, which I really like adding them for a couple of reasons. One, I like peas. Also because I thought it would give a little bit more nutrition and kind of a more protein boost to the dish. Usually when I make this or any pasta dish that doesn't have extra protein added to it, so like if I don't use like a vegan mince or lentils or beans of some kind or a high protein vegetable, then I like to use the lentil or high gluten pasta because it gives a little bit more protein. So yeah, that is dinner. Can't wait to give it a try. Silky butternutty goodness. Where is your food?
It's gone.
Oh my gosh, child, you had a whole portion and it's already gone. Mommy's barely tasted it. So little man thinks it's disgusting. Mister, what do you think?
It's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. So with all of that being said, it's gonna be a goodbye for now. I'm pretty tired. After this, I might have a little bit more of that vegan cookie dough hummus, but probably not because it's going to make me pretty full. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you try any of these recipes, and I'll see you guys next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.